Hi, I am Muhammed Dilshad, Department of BWOC Multi-Sports and Fitness Training at MES College, Marambali.
Next, we will go to the main part of our session. Like nutrients are components in food essential to life and health, providing us with energy, the building blocks for repairing and growth, and substances necessary to regulate chemical process. We know like we can see also there are six major nutrients. Like one is carbohydrates, next one is protein, third one is fat, then vitamins, minerals, water. Like these nutrients we can divide into two major main like portion, like macronutrients and micronutrients. That macronutrients means the large amount of food we are having, that comes under macronutrients, like that are carbohydrates, protein, fat. The carbohydrates are essential to the body. They are sugars and starches that provide energy for all the cells and tissues in the body. There are two different types of carbohydrates: simple carbohydrates and complex carbohydrates. People should limit their intake of simple carbohydrates such as white bread, pasta, rice. However, the body needs complex carbohydrates to support the following, like the immune system, brain function, the nervous system. So, like having simple carbohydrate is very useful, and complex also it is good for our health. Next one is fat or lipids. A person needs certain fat to help maintain optimal health. Fat provide the body which energy and help it to carry out a range of function. It is essential to consume healthful fats such as monosaturated and polysaturated fat and limit or avoid saturated and trans fat. Trans fat means like which the food we get from outside, like fast food, junk foods. That comes under trans fat. A person should consume 20 to 35 percentage of their calories from healthful fat. Healthful fat means non-saturated fat, like we already discussed. Like that type of fat, it is good for our health. Healthful fat helps with the following function. Like if you are having a good fat, which means non-saturated fat, that will help for cell growth, blood clotting, building new cells, reducing the risk of heart diseases, muscle movement, balanced blood sugar, brain functioning, mineral and vitamin absorption, hormone production, and immune function. These are the advantages if you are having the non-saturated fat. The third point is protein. Protein is a macronutrient, as we already discussed. Protein is a macronutrient that every cell in the body needs to function properly. So we have to have the protein. We already discussed that to repair a muscle or to recover for a recovery of a muscle, we need to have that protein properly. Protein carry out a variety of functions, including ensuring the growth and development of muscle, bones, hair, and skins, forming antibodies, hormones, and other essential substances, serving as a fuel source cell tissue when needed. Then we move to micronutrients. That first one is vitamins. Vitamins are micronutrients that offer a range of health benefits, including boosting the immune system, helping prevent or delay certain cancers such as prostate cancer. Next one, strengthening teeth and bones, aiding calcium absorption, maintaining healthy skin, helping the body metabolize protein and carbs, supporting healthy blood, aiding brain and nervous system function. There are 13 essential vitamins that nutritionists divide into two groups, like fat soluble and water soluble. That fat soluble are like if you are having the food which is like mostly digestible, that type of fat is fat soluble. The fat soluble vitamins are vitamin A, D, E, K. Total there are 13 essential vitamins. That 13 vitamins they will divide it into two groups, that is fat soluble and water soluble. Fat soluble are vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E, vitamin K. The next one is water soluble vitamin are vitamin B1, vitamin B12, vitamin B6, vitamin B2, vitamin B5, vitamin B3, and vitamin B9, vitamin B7, and vitamin C. Typically, a person who eats a diet rich in vegetable, fruits, and lean proteins can get all the vitamins they need in their food. Those who eat less fruit and vegetables and those who with a digestive condition may need to take a vitamin supplements to reduce or avoid a deficiency. Next one is minerals. Minerals also comes under a micronutrients. There are two types of micronutrients, that is vitamins and minerals. The second one is minerals. Minerals are the second type of micronutrients. There are two groups of minerals, major and trace minerals. The body needs a balance of minerals from both groups for optimal health. Major minerals are magnesium, calcium, phosphorus, sulfur, sodium, potassium, chloride. Major minerals help the body to do the following, like balance water level, maintain healthy skin, hair, nails, improve bone health. Trace minerals are iron, selenium, zinc, magnesium, chromium, copper, iodine, fluoride, molybdenum. Trace minerals help with strengthening bones, preventing tooth decay, aiding in the blood clotting, helping to carry oxygen, supporting the immune system, supporting healthy food pressure. The third one is water. Water is also a nutrients which everyone know, like without water no one can survive in our world or in a single day. Water is probably the most important essential nutrient that a person needs. A person can only survive a few days without consuming water. Even slight dehydration can cause headaches and impaired physical and mental functioning. The human body is made up of mostly water, and every cell requires water to function. Water helps with several functions like flushing toxin out, shock absorption, transporting nutrient, preventing constipation, lubrication, hydration. The best source of water is to drink natural unsweetened water from a tap or bottle source. For people who do not like the taste of plain water, they can add a squeeze of lemon or other citrus fruits. Also, a person can get extra water by consuming fruits that contain a large amount of water. People should avoid getting their water intake from sugary drinks.